So again, the quarterly estimates are in order to not have that shock in March or April when you're paying your taxes. And what it is, we can do safe harbor estimates, which is making sure you have 100% of your prior year tax liability paid in. So let's just say your tax liability for 2024 was $20,000. We would make quarterly estimates, $5,000 each, so that by the end of the year, you would have 100% of 2024 taxes paid. If we do that, no interest and penalties would be charged. We can also base it off of your profit for the quarter. When we're doing the actuals, we're trying to get close to what you might actually owe at the end of the year. Now, obviously, by Q4, we would know what your profit was or have a pretty solid idea, because there's some things that are still outstanding in mid-January, but we can always call true up your estimates, which means you've made these first 3-quarter estimates at whatever it happens to be. Let's go back to our $5,000 example. Then we base that Q4 on actual numbers, and we're like, whoa, wait a minute, we're projecting tax liability to be $22,000 instead of that $20,000. So we just add another 2 to the Q4 estimate. It gets us caught up on those estimates, keeps the interest and penalties as low as we possibly can, because the IRS calculates it from quarter to quarter to quarter on the interest. So if you were doing safe harbor and then all of a sudden wanted to do actual, very possible it could bump up a little bit. So quarterly estimates are due April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th.